Are you unknowingly killing your diesel engine every time you drive? Most diesel owners make simple, avoidable mistakes that slowly destroy their engine, cost them thousands in repairs, and cut their car's lifespan in half. In this video, we're revealing the 13 stupid diesel mistakes that even experienced drivers still make. And trust me, mistake number 7 will blow your mind because almost everyone does it thinking it's safe. So if you drive a diesel and want your engine to last over 300,000 miles, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and let's make sure your engine lives a long, powerful life. Mistake number 1, ignoring glow plug warm-up time. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to preheat the combustion chamber, especially in colder temperatures. If you turn the key and start your engine without giving it enough time for the glow plug indicator to turn off, you're forcing cold combustion. This leads to hard starts, white smoke, and severe stress on engine components like pistons and injectors. Over time, it causes poor combustion efficiency and leads to costly issues like cracked pistons and cylinder head damage. And what's even worse than cold starts, doing this after you start driving. Mistake number 2, revving hard immediately after start. Revving a cold diesel engine is like sprinting without warming up. It's a shortcut to damage. The oil hasn't reached all the critical parts yet, and diesel engines have tighter tolerances, so that cold revving causes metal-on-metal wear. This degrades your turbo, crankshaft, and even your bearings prematurely. Diesel engines need at least 1 to 2 minutes to idle before being pushed. So if you're the start and go type, you're accelerating wear without realizing it. But wait, do you ever skip this at the fuel station? That's mistake number 3. Mistake number 3, using the wrong diesel fuel or additive. Using low-quality diesel or skipping proper additives can lead to injector clogs, soot buildup, and poor fuel economy. Diesel fuel varies in cetane rating and lubrication quality, and not all fuels are equal. Always go for top-tier diesel and use anti-gel or cetane boosters if you're in a colder climate. Fuel system problems are among the most expensive repairs in a diesel car, and most are caused by bad fuel habits. Speaking of habits, this next one is quietly killing your turbocharger. Mistake number 4, shutting off the engine right after a hard drive. If you've been towing, climbing, or highway driving, your turbo is hot. Shutting off your engine immediately stops oil circulation, leaving that red-hot turbo to cook the remaining oil, creating carbon buildup and turbo damage. Always let your diesel idle for 1 to 2 minutes after a hard drive to cool down the turbo properly. A seized turbo costs thousands to replace, and it's avoidable. But even worse than heat is forgetting this tiny but critical maintenance. Mistake number 5, neglecting diesel particulate filter. DPF Regeneration. Modern diesels have a diesel particulate filter that catches soot. It needs to burn that soot off during regeneration. If you keep interrupting regions by doing short trips or turning off the engine mid-process, you'll cause a DPF blockage, poor fuel economy, and eventually force a costly replacement. Let your diesel complete full regions by driving at highway speeds for 15 to 30 minutes weekly. Don't ignore the Regen warning. And while DPFs are expensive, this next habit could destroy your entire fuel system. Mistake number 6, running the tank too low. Running your diesel on low fuel regularly stirs up sediment and debris that sits at the bottom of your tank. This junk gets sucked into your fuel lines and clogs up your fuel filter and injectors, which are incredibly sensitive in diesel systems. Also, low fuel increases the chance of air entering the system, which leads to misfires and hard starts. Keep your tank at least a quarter full, always. But this next mistake affects your oil and your emissions. Mistake number 7, delaying oil changes on diesel engines. Diesel oil gets dirty much faster than gasoline engines due to soot and combustion byproducts. Waiting too long between oil changes means you're circulating abrasive, contaminated oil that wears down your bearings, turbo, and cylinder walls. Stick to your oil change intervals, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for most diesels, and always use diesel-rated synthetic oil. Don't follow gas car schedules. Speaking of contamination, wait till you hear how this next habit kills your EGR valve. Mistake number 8, ignoring EGR system maintenance. Diesel engines recirculate exhaust gas to reduce emissions. But this EGR system gets clogged with carbon deposits quickly. If you ignore cleaning or inspection, it leads to rough idle, loss of power, and poor fuel efficiency. Every 50,000 miles, clean or inspect your EGR valve and associated passages to prevent expensive clog-related failures. And while cleaning is great, what about what you put in your engine? Mistake number 9. Using the wrong oil type. Diesel engines require oil with high levels of detergents and anti-wear additives. If you use gasoline engine oil, your diesel isn't being protected from soot, acid buildup, and high combustion temperatures. Only use oils rated A, PI, CK4, CJ4, or higher. Using the wrong oil not only voids warranties but also destroys internal engine parts slowly and silently. Now this next mistake, it's a time bomb hiding under your hood. Mistake number 10. Skipping fuel filter replacements. Diesel fuel systems are high pressure and ultra-sensitive. Dirty fuel filters cause fuel starvation, injector wear, and even pump failure. And unlike gas engines, diesel injectors cost hundreds each. Change your fuel filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, or even sooner if you're using average quality fuel. If you think skipping filters is bad, wait till you hear about this neglected sensor. Mistake number 11. Not replacing your MAF sensor or cleaning it. The mass airflow sensor monitors air intake and adjusts fuel delivery. If it's dirty or faulty, your engine runs too rich, causes black smoke, and clogs your DPF and EGR faster than normal. Use MAF sensor cleaner every 10,000 to 15,000 miles and replace it if you notice erratic idling or poor throttle response. And here comes a turbo killer that most owners don't even notice until it's too late. Mistake number 12. Ignoring boost leaks. Diesel engines rely heavily on boost pressure for torque and efficiency. If you have a boost leak, you'll suffer poor performance, higher fuel consumption, and increased turbo strain. Check intercooler hoses and clamps regularly, especially if you hear hissing or feel a lack of power. Boost leaks rob your engine of air and your wallet of fuel money. Finally, let's talk about the most stupid mistake of all. Mistake number 13. Believing diesel engines don't need maintenance? Many people think diesel engines are bulletproof. While they are tough, they still need proper care. Skipping scheduled maintenance like coolant flushes, valve adjustments, and injector checks is a recipe for premature failure. Treat your diesel engine with the respect it deserves, and it'll reward you with decades of reliable service. Ignore it? You'll be shopping for a new engine sooner than you think. So how many of these stupid diesel mistakes were you making? Be honest. Even one of these can shave years off your engine's life and cost you a small fortune in repairs. Smash that like button if you learned something new today. Comment below if you have a diesel tip to share. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Expert for more videos that save you thousands in car repair costs. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep that diesel engine running strong for miles and miles to come.